Good afternoon, everyone. How is everybody? Folks, I hope everybody is doing good. Weather is getting nicer. Today is 70, believe it or not. I wanted to share this with you guys. This is a nice one. 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. It is the dynamic trim level. If you guys know a little bit about them, the dynamic comes with sportier suspension, 21-inch rims and tires, more upholstery for support on the seats, adjustable headrests, different trim level compared to the other ones. This one is diamond pearl white. The best way to describe it is basically super light diamond pearl white. It's not like the Escalade pearl white. So I call it like ice metallic. It's a very, very pretty color. So folks, they come, 2018 comes with a different upgraded headlights, facelift. The dynamic has a more powerful engine. There's quite a few differences between a dynamic and a normal one. More aggressive design, sports suspension for cornering. Let me keep going. It's more performance-based, performance-focused version of the Range Rover. That's why they are calling it dynamic. Tuned suspension with increased stiffness for improved handling. You know, for body roll during cornering and everything. Yeah. I'm gonna close it up soon so you guys can see the whole thing. The only thing the service is done, but we're gonna remove and replace this tint. There's a scrape there. Folks, nothing funny. Tires are like new. 21-inch rims. All right, so let's start with the engine and start closing up like we always do, right? Look at those headlights. These are the newer headlights on the Range Rover Sports. LED, xenon. This is a happy Range Rover engine. This is how they sound when they're running. Yes, we do service Jaguar and Land Rover on a regular basis. If you purchased a vehicle from us and you need service, we got you. You get discounted labor rate for life, discount on parts, so you can enjoy your Range Rover. If they're maintained, they don't give any problems. Many more photos will be at our website at trimaxauto.com. 757-222-0522. Point of contact is Justin. He'll be happy to help you guys out with sales, service, finance, whatever you might be needing. We have many other Range Rovers also, so no worries there. But this is a special one. Pearl white with black leather, and I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera. Yeah, you can. This is how the leather is in the centers and solid on the edges. That's your armrest. We can close that up. Rear climate control in the back. Power outlets at the bottom. It does have rear heated and cool seats. That's your passenger side rear door. Surround sound system by Meridian. Passenger front door. Yes, it has every control imaginable for the driver's seat and passenger seat. It does have memory on the passenger side also. That is your gorgeous dash. Dual touch-up screen. That's your panoramic roof right there. I love these headrests. You can adjust them however you want during long trips. It really makes a difference. Let's close this up. We already talked about the engine. One happy engine. That's your driver rear door. There you go. That roof is huge. Let's close that up. There's your trunk. Let's go inside. Take a look at that panel. There it is. And the power liftgate. She is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Dynamic is over 100 grand. No, you're not gonna pay anything close to that. Pedal shifters. These are touch. You got heated steering wheel, cruise control. You can do so much just from the steering wheel. There's your power liftgate button right there. Folks, she's just gorgeous. What can I say? She's just gorgeous. Who doesn't like a Range Rover? Do not worry, there will be plenty of photos on our website. There she is. All right, let's close it up. Look at that color, my dear God. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's take a look at this bad boy. Everything closed up. I wish it was a little bit more sunshine so you guys can see how this thing sparkles, but today's overcast. Yeah, everything works. Folks, we've been doing this since 2007. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for all the out-of-state customers. Thank you for all the referrals. And we want to keep doing what we want to do, you know. Nice, clean cars. And we know these cars. Everybody's somewhat worried about service. Do not be. We got you. If they're maintained, they're not going to ask for much. They got to be maintained. We got all sorts of colors, different trim levels, Evokes, other Range Rover Sports, long wheelbase Range Rovers, Jaguars, Audis. We got it all. It's all on the website, and at least 40 cars is getting ready to be serviced and uploaded. So yes, you guys will see a lot of posts from us in the next 2 weeks or so. Thank you so much for everything. You guys have a blessed day. Enjoy this beautiful day. Thank you guys. Bye.